How to schedule updates in Windows 11. Active hours lets Windows know when you're typically at your PC. Windows uses that information to schedule updates and restarts outside of active hours when you're not using the PC. To set your active hours, search for and open Windows Update settings on the computer. Select the Advanced Options tile. Select the Active Hours tile to expand it. In the Adjust Active Hours drop-down box, select Manually. Choose the desired start time and end time by selecting each and adjusting the time. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages, and search our channel to find official HP support videos.